Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you a handy trick to make your Google Chrome browsing even more efficient. We'll learn how to add shortcuts in Google Chrome homepage. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Accessing new tab and adding shortcut. First of all, to begin, open your Google Chrome. It doesn't matter which webpage you're on. We'll add the shortcut from the new tab. Look at the top of the screen where the tabs are located. You should see a little plus icon next to New Tab. Pointing to the plus icon next to New Tab, hover over the plus icon and click on it. Then, select Add Shortcut from the options that appear in the middle of the screen. Step 2. Naming and pasting the URL. Now, let's give our shortcut a name. It can be anything you like. For example, if you want a shortcut to your YouTube library, simply type YouTube Library in the box, typing YouTube Library as the name for the shortcut. Next, you'll need the web address, URL, of the website you want to create a shortcut for. Head over to the website you want to shortcut and copy the URL. First of all, open a new tab and search youtube.com, then YouTube open and showing the results, and simply you can see the left side library and click on it. Then you will see the URL, highlighting the URL on the website and copying it. Now, return to the Chrome Add Shortcut screen and paste the URL into the provided box. It's much quicker than typing it out. Pasting the URL into the Add Shortcut screen. Once you pasted the URL, click on Done in the middle of the screen. Step 3. Accessing the shortcut. Congratulations, you've successfully added a shortcut. Now, open a new tab just as you did before, and you should see your newly added shortcut right there. Opening a new tab and the shortcut appearing on the Chrome homepage. For me, it's YouTube Library. Simply click on your shortcut, and it will take you directly to the website you want to access quickly. That's how easy it is to add shortcuts in Google Chrome. Now you can easily navigate to your favorite websites with just a click, streamlining your browsing experience. If you found this tip helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy browsing and enjoy your new shortcuts.